Hang in there, buddy.
Come on now. Get up on that log. There.
Hang in there.
Come on up. Stay on. Stay with me.
No, Eric, that's not going to do a damn thing, dude. Give him that end. Take it with you, Jeff.
What's that?
Take that end with you. Get on your belly. And get out there.
Come on. Come on and go.
Yeah, go out there, go right in the water and get to him.
It's not over your head.
You're almost going to be able to stand up.
Yeah. That's 4 feet.
Okay, I'm crossing. Nate. Come around me. You know.
Come right across the edge of the ice, just like that, Jeffrey. There you go.
No, I got you.
Talk to him, Jeffrey. Talk to him.
Come on.
Anchor him.
Grab him. Get a hold of him there. All right. There you go. There you go. Get that other rope in out of his way.
Same way you came back, Jeff. Same way you came back, Jeff.
Hang on there, buddy.
Hang, you hung on the rope. Hang on. I'm good to second call.
He's not going to get out right now.
Jeff, I got the rope. Just
We got blankets. Blankets, yes.
it's okay.
Yeah,
Come on.
Come
Come on.
on right on, go. We got you, Jeff.
Come on. We got a blanket. Come on. You're all right. We're gonna get you up there.
Careful, careful.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. There. Yeah, no. Somebody give me some blankets out of the ambulance.
We're getting there right now. John, back him up the hill, would you please?
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Okay. Joey, have him get some blankets out.
No. I heard him from my house, so I came down here after he wouldn't stop barking. Came to see what's going on, and something in the middle out there.
Did you see anybody with the dog?
No, not in the past.
Any
20
other
minutes.
footprints? Human
Like-
There are
footprints?
some footprints out here, but it looked like a bunch of dog footprints.
Here, partner. Grab the handle. I can
Pull
get
off.
my arm out. I'm
You can
tight.
leave it on if you want it, John, just to get it back up there.
I got a whole armful of snow, Mark.
Oh, do you?
Good. Yeah. You're good. Okay. Do I got clearance for you to go to this other call?
Yeah, as long as you can get out.
Okay.
It's okay. Good luck. Hey, Eric, on the way back, tell Jeff to notify dispatch you got the dog.
Who's the other call?
Hey, Main Street. Oh,
Accident?
geez, yeah, no, fingers missing.
Oh, geez.
Apparently got up from a nap, fingers are gone.
All right.
All right, busting on it.
Yeah. He's scared, so just don't be jumping around.
Good job, buddy.
Sorry, buddy, huh?
You got here early.
Is there a name on that tag?
Smile. Good job.
I had your back, though. I strategically waited up there.
Hold on.
Hey, yeah, anytime.
I love you, brother.
Well, maybe you can do something with that, eh?
Yeah. He's scared.
Put your leg in there.
Yeah, I can run the tag.
Is this sled?
And they get a dog running a large
They're going to
tag.
help us, isn't it? We have to carry him.
It'd be worth it at this
you
point.
Yeah.
Hit him just like that. Stand him up. I'll take him. I don't know if you're going to try doing that up the hill now or not.
Might be able to hand him.
Maybe slide that basket
Might be
down.
able to hand him up to somebody up on the hill there.
Side's empty now. It's okay, Bobby. I'll go behind you.
Yeah. Hold his back all the way. Careful, John.
Yep. I would, but these boots are slippery. But I got your back, though. Actually, Rich has your back.
That's
Somebody else
right.
behind you.